Hello friends, you are welcome at EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Samandar Kosik from Center for Biotechnology, Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana. Today we are going to discuss one of the important modules which are also directly related to your lives, that's ethical issues for animal cell culture under the paper Animal Cell Culture Biotechnology. Under these modules, we are going to discuss three objectives. What is bioethics and what is the basic principle of bioethics? And third, why we require bioethics in the modern era. Ethical issue for the animal cell culture is a very fantastic subject. We should know about all type of the bioethics and ethics issue while working with the animal model or animal cell culture or any other organism. Bioethics or ethical issue is a problem or situations that require a person's or organizations to choose between the alternate that must be evaluation as right, that is ethicals, or a wrong, that is unethical. One should choose between ethics and non-ethics, that is between right and the wrong. One should take the decision with free mind. Ethical issue is a very old. Historically, medical ethics are very old. It may be traced back to the guidelines on the duty of the physician or a doctor from the time of the Hippocrates. Therefore, when a physician or a doctor complete their degree, they should be passing through a oath. This is known as the Hippocrates oath. The working with the human or animals tissues present a number of ethical problems or involving in the procurement of the subsequent handling and most the use of the materials. There are many situations when we are discuss or dealings with some ethical issues related to the human material or humans, or related some materials under your laboratory's conditions. During that situation, there are many situations when there is a dilemma, what is wrong and what is right. There is a very minor difference between wrong and right. Then what is ethical, what is non-ethical, you should take the decision on the basis of the thought of your mind. Over. So it is very difficult to define ethics. Ethics are not as same as your feelings. Ethics is not a religion. Ethics is something different. Ethics is not any law. Ethics is your moral duty. Ethics is not followed any cultural rule accepted by the society. Ethics is not the science. Then what is ethics? Ethics are the moral principles which depend upon your thought. Ethics is the difference between good and bad, and the right decision depend upon your thought. And ethics is the difference between what is right, what is wrong. There is a very minute difference between right and wrong sometimes. Then decision or ethics depend upon your thought. Ethics depend upon the value system, which is more beneficial or which is less beneficial. Ethical norms are not universal and depend upon the subculture of the society, even time of the society. Sometimes one thing is ethical and other times that particular things is unethical. This is depend upon the situations. In broad way, we can say ethics or bioethics is the study of ethical issue emerging from the advance in biology as well as medicine or any other branch of the life sciences or medical sciences. It is very difficult to define the ethics for a particular subject, because ethics or bioethics is the summary of many disciplines of biological sciences. So it is very difficult to give the conclusion of bioethics on the basis of a particular subject. It is also moral discriminate as related to the medical policy and practice. Bioethicists are concerned with the ethical questions that are arise in the relationship among the life scientists, biotechnologists, medicine department, policymakers, the person from law field, and the philosopher and thought of the society are also included to develop some ethics concerns about a particular subject. It is include the study of the values, the ethics of the ordinary relating to the primary care and other branch of the medicines. Then why should we study the ethicals in so detail, and what is the purpose and what are the scope of the ethics in the fields of bioethics, which deals with the human inquiry ranging from the debate over the boundaries of the certain most important topic deals with society. For example, if you are dealing with abortion, euthanasia, surrogacy, and allocation of the limited healthcare resources, or especially organ donations, then bioethics or ethical issues are very important. When and what, in which situation we can allow abortion and euthanasia, in at what stage we can allow euthanasia, surrogacy should be allowed or not. These are the some burning questions related to the field of ethics or bioethics. And there are some other questions, for example, right to refuse the medical care for some religious or cultural reason. Bioethicists often disagree among themselves over the precise limit of their disciplines. In another situation, debating whether the field should be concerned itself or ethical evaluations of all the questions involving biology and medicine, or only a subset of those questions. There are certain situations in the medical field when the persons are in dilemma what should be the decision he should take. One of them is abortion. There are many laws different with different countries. What is the maximum age of abortion should be? In our countries, maximum 20-week embryo can be aborted, above which it is considered as the illegal issue. If in some situation, if the persons, the embryo are more than 20 or 24 week, or the persons know that the developing embryo is headless or any other organless, but doctor cannot do the abortion even in such a bad situations. Or before 20 week, one should do abortion or not. This is against the question of ethical issues. Should we allow abortions at any cost or not? Because the abortion is also as equivalent as killing or murder of a person. Because as per religious thought, every cell has a life. In another situation, euthanasia is the another type of the medical terminology in which patient want to die with himself or herself by their desires. But medically it should be allowed or not. In certain situations, the condition of the patient is very, very, very dangerous or very poor chance of their survive, and they feel a very painful condition in life. Even medically we cannot allow him to die. Surrogacy. Surrogacy is the term in which someone provide their uterus for the developing of the baby of others, a couples. So this is the question of ethical issues. One should allow their uterus for the development of a baby of other persons In the situation, some feeling is also adjoined with that developing baby, or their feeling is also attached even after birth. So one should allow it or not. This is the against question of bioethics. Organ donation. There is a large requirement of the organ donation for the benefit of our country's persons. If the about 10% persons give their donation even after their death, organ donation required can be fulfillment of our countries. But the donor is very few in number in our countries. In some religious questions, the persons believe in the next generations. They thought if they donate the organ, he will be born in next generation without that organ, or harm the organ donation category of our countries. Against this is the question of ethical issues. One should donate their organ or not. Refusal medical cares by some religious purpose or any other purpose. Some persons deny to take the medical care from well-developed facilities of the medical fraternities. Is there ethically to allow them with die without any medical help? Stem cell therapy is another most fantastic field of modern medical biology. Is one should allow to treat their disease with the help of stem cell therapy. Or this is again ethical issue. Even gene therapy can be allowed with viral treatment. Should be allowed or not? This is also against the question related to medical ethics. IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. In some group, the persons may get the benefit with this modern technique, and there are a large number of the pairs which are able to produce their baby naturally. They can produce the baby with the help of a in vitro fertilization technique. But again, there is a question of medical issues. They should allow it or not. There are two basic group of the bioethicists worldwide. They have two different category sorts, and they give the some particular idea based upon bioethics. Some bioethicists would have a narrow ethical thought and evaluations only to the moral and medical treatment or technological innovations and timing of the medical treatment of humans. Means their thought is very narrow. They thinking about the morality related to the medical treatment, what type of the technology should be involved and what type of the decision should be involved during medical practice. Others group consider the broadened scope of the bioethics or ethical issues. They should be include other discipline also, or all the action as well as all the action might be help or harm the organism capable of feeling the fears related to bioethical issues. The scope of bioethics can be expanded with the help of biotechnology, include cloning, gene therapy, life expansion, human genetics engineering, astroethics, and life in the space. Initially, there are the only few fields related to the biotechnology or biological sciences or medical sciences. But now biology is expanded very much in every field of the life and affects the life in large extension. So there are so many branches of biologies which equally contribute to the ethical sciences. The manipulation of basic biology through the alteration in their DNA, RNA and protein, which may affect the organism lives, are also should be studied under the consideration of the bioethical issues. These development will affect the future evaluations of may require the new principle and addresses the life and its core status. Biotic ethics are that value life itself at its basic biological process and the structure and seek their propagations should be discussed under the bioethical status. There are certain principles on which the bioethics depend. Beneficence mean physician-centered decision. Physician should take care of the persons and he give the decision on certain presumption or moral issue or bioethics issues. No maleficence mean first do not harm to anyone. Autonomy mean it is the right of the patient itself or subject itself. He should take the decision himself. He should participate in medical experimentation system or any other type of treatment system. Justice means fairness. There should be justice with everyone and no one should be hurt by your decisions. The principle of beneficence means one should cause the positive assistance of the others. That is, you should help the others, but you should not damage the others. Abstain from the harms, minimize the principle of maleficence by helping them to achieve a benefit which will further their importance and legitimate interest. And the harm principle as a form of the beneficence. Prevent an individual from harming another. This is also your moral duty. You should also prevent the other individual that are responsible to harm any other person or organisms. The principle of justice. One should give justice to the person they are payable for. What they should deserve it, we should provide them it. What they can legitimate claim for. We are responsible for they should get their legitimately claim and no should get the benefit of the other's mistake. The treated equally unless there is a moral relevant difference requiring the persons to be treated unequally or differentiately. Means we should not differentiate the persons ethically until unless it is based on some moral or ethical based. The consideration must be often be given to a proper allocation of benefits and burdens within the local context. Principle of autonomy. A person should be free to perform whatever action he or she want to do. The experimentation or any other participation depend upon totally of their wishes or desire, regardless of the risk or fullness the preclusive by the others, provided it does not impinge on the autonomy of the others. Criticism of bioethics. Although ethics seems to be very impressive word, mean it is seems to be that no one should criticize the ethics, but after that there are many criticisms are observed time to times against the bioethics. The main point are discussed here. Bioethics tends to be focused its attention on the problem that arise from too much care to the patient in industrialized nations, while giving a little or no attention to ethical problems, to little care for the poor. Former characterizations by ethics of handling normally difficult in clinical situation, normally in a hospital in industrialized countries as a quaternary ethics. He does not regard the quaternary ethics and clinical bioethics as the unimportant, as he argues rather that bioethics must be balanced and give the due weight to the poor community also. Bioethics has been condemned for its lack of diversity in thought, particularly with the regards to the race. Even as the field has been grown to include area of public opinion, policy making, medical decision. Little or no academic writing has been authors concerns the intersections between the race, specifically cultural value, feel in the construction and bioethical literature. In summary and conclusion, we can say that we must follow the ethical principles in our profession while dealing with the living organism, because one should do the ethicals with every living organism. Do not do the unethicals with any other living organism. We should help ever, hurt never, and take care of the other organism. We are not only the living organism on the earth. Other living organisms have equally right to survive on the earth. So we should never hurt the other organism, but we should always help the other organism. One should not take the advantage of the cost of the others, means we should get advantage of our work. We should not get the advantage on the cost of the other persons. Mean other person should not harm due to your advantage. Justice should be done with the society also. We should perform all the ethical work and avoid unethical works, and also give the advice to the other persons to avoid unethical works. Although ethical issue is a very bold story, but it should be changed according to the requirement of the time, because initially biology is very restrict subject and deal only with the some discipline of our life. But nowadays biology expand very much or very broad field and affect almost all segment of our life. Therefore, ethical issue should be changed according to the situation, because many aspects of the biological science are included day by day in our old knowledge, and ethical issues should be modified according to the situations. Thanks.